morning guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Julio from Masters Painting Contractor CHT and JGMultiservices. Today we are in Egg Harbor City. It's a nice area here. As you can see, we got the lake on the front. It's a very quiet place. It's a place used for people that want to retire. So our project here today is consisting of replacing the front porch. We're gonna build a nice front porch here with the composite deck. We are building the platform, and we are also replacing all the posts. It's gonna be new posts, and we're gonna cover up with ASAC all around. We also gonna replace the front door. So, good morning, Mario.
Good morning.
This is Mr. Mario, and we are putting the last post. We replaced all three in the corner. This is gonna be the last one. This section is gonna be replaced, so you can see it's loose. And we're gonna cover this concrete. We're gonna build a platform with pressure treated wood. We're gonna do the frame to see all the composite deck on top of it, just to change the look of this front. And we're gonna install a new door here. We need to fix this frame to install a new door with the two side legs in the front. We also are going to install new railings, PVC railings all around the deck, all around, and we're also gonna put a nice piece of light gray composite on the top just to make it a little bit nicer. So it's gonna be all PVC railing and composite deck, and the posts are gonna be covered with ASAC just to have a better looking, and it's gonna be free maintenance. That's the advantage to use composite, because after you install it, you don't have to do any maintenance. Last for more than 30 years at least. I'm gonna install a new door in the back. So this is our project here in the Harbor Township. I hope you enjoyed this little video for today. Stay tuned for more updates about this project and all our projects around the city. Hasta la vista. Bye bye.